Hello everyone, I'm very happy to be here in Open edX Conference 2023 here in Boston, and I'm delightful to interview Ed, which is the VP Technology of Open edX, and we have a long history together. My name is Roi Shillo. I'm the Learning Technology Lead of Midlink, and we are providing AWS services and DevOps, FinOps services for Open edX solutions, specifically on AWS. And I'm also the Chief Architect of Campus IL, which is the national learning platform of Israel. And I'm really happy to have Ed here, so Ed, maybe you can introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Ed Zarecor. I'm the VP of Engineering for Open edX at TCRL. I've been involved in the Open edX project since 2012, and I've known Roi for a long time. I'm not quite sure how long, but it's been a while, and collaborated together on the campus.il project and some other projects along the way, but I'm glad to be here speaking with him today.
Thank you, Ed. And one of the things that's interesting me is how to reduce the social gap and how to improve social mobility through democratization of the education and how to reach farther to more audiences in Israel, Middle East, and Africa. And we've heard your keynote, which was really interesting to hear about the roadmap and the collaborations that you are doing between all the companies that are all the contributors. It will be really interesting to hear your voice about how it can contribute to this topic.
Yeah, I'd love to talk about that. And we talked in the keynote about the two concepts related to democratizing education, improving access to high quality education opportunities, and to increase the impact of those opportunities on learners so that it actually makes real changes in their lives in terms of job opportunities and advancement opportunities. We didn't talk about the specifics about where we're investing in access, but we can talk a little bit about that. One of the things I did mention was that we have had a firm commitment over the last 18 months or so to improve the translation of the platform. So the translations working group now supports 13 official languages on the platform. That's up from 10 a year ago, so substantial progress in a year. Another area of access focus for us has been around the mobile applications. As you know, you do some work in Africa. Certain environments are mobile first and have limited bandwidth. So mobile is a kind of an optimal solution for delivering learning opportunities in environments like that. So it's another big investment in access. Another one I'll mention is we've had a long time commitment to web accessibility, making sure that the platform is usable by folks who are blind or deaf or have other impairments. So that's another area where we're committed to access. And I actually had an interesting conversation. One of the things I love about the conference is you make connections, with everyone from the community. There's a group that's doing some work on learning for people who are neurodiverse. So we're going to connect with them next week to understand how our platform can better support people with neurodiversity. So.
Amazing, amazing. I also see from my end that more and more countries from Africa are interested in deploying the platform in Nigeria, in Somalia. So I think that during this, the trend is great and you are really doing a great job there. So it's really an honor. Do you have any specific things that you are going to push on 2023 or?
Yep, we talked a little bit, so there's two things that we're going to push in 2023 that I think are really notable. One is the modular learning project. And the purpose of that is to break open courses into small modular pieces that can be reused in different ways. And that really opens up a lot of value in the platform in terms of measuring the efficacy of particular learning experiences. So this gets back to the second part of democratizing education, which is the impact side of it. We want to create a platform that has a really robust data capability and the ability to measure the value of the particular learning experiences so we can provide feedback to instructors so they can create better courses that better serve our learners.
Brilliant, Ed, yes. So Ed, thank you very much. I do want to add just like a personal note. I'm working in this like open source and to democratize education for many years. But now we have some challenges in Israel and we want to fight for our democracy as well. So we will keep having democracy and keep having democratized education. So it's an important message. And thank you for hosting us and thank you for the talk.
Great to see you as ever, Roy.